Tesla phone Model Pi, the latest innovation in smartphone technology, set to launch on the 20th of February 2023. The Tesla phone Model Pi, the latest smartphone from electric vehicle and clean energy company Tesla, is set to go on sale starting the 20th of February 2023. This new device promises to offer cutting-edge technology, sleek design, and impressive features aimed at both personal and professional use. The Model Pi features a 6.3-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. The device is powered by a Snapdragon 865 processor and comes with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage. This is coupled with a massive 5000 mAh battery that provides all-day battery life and supports fast charging. The phone also has a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for added security. The Model Pi boasts an impressive camera system, with a triple lens setup that includes a 64MP primary lens, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 12MP telephoto lens. The front-facing camera is a 32MP sensor that supports video calls and selfies. The device also features improved video recording capabilities, including 4K video at 60 frames per second. One of the most notable features of the Model Pi is its use of Tesla's proprietary operating system, which is based on Android. This new OS has been designed to integrate seamlessly with Tesla's other products and services, providing a seamless user experience across multiple devices. Additionally, the Model Pi also supports Tesla's autopilot technology, which allows users to control the phone using voice commands or gestures. The Model Pi is also designed with sustainability in mind, featuring recycled materials in its construction and utilizing renewable energy sources in its manufacturing process. The device is also fully recyclable, ensuring that it has a minimal impact on the environment. Tesla is known for its focus on innovation and technology, and the Model Pi is no exception. The device features a range of innovative features, including advanced artificial intelligence capabilities, enhanced security features, and improved connectivity options. One of the standout AI features of the Model Pi is its ability to use natural language processing to understand and respond to user requests. This allows users to interact with the device in a more intuitive and conversational manner, making it easier to find information, access apps, and complete tasks. The Model Pi also includes advanced security features, such as end-to-end encryption for all data transfers, and the ability to wipe all data from the device remotely. This makes it ideal for those who need to keep their personal and professional information secure. Finally, the Model Pi offers improved connectivity options, including 5G support, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.0. This ensures that users can stay connected to the internet at all times, whether they're at home, at work, or on the go. In conclusion, the Tesla phone Model Pi is an exciting new device that offers a range of cutting-edge features aimed at both personal and professional users. With its impressive camera system, innovative AI capabilities, and advanced security features, the Model Pi is sure to be a popular choice among tech enthusiasts and smartphone users. With the Model Pi going on sale starting the 20th of February 2023, it won't be long until we can see the full potential of this exciting new device. Don't forget to subscribe to Ali Scope's YouTube channel for the latest and greatest in technology, innovation, and all things science. With in-depth analysis and expert insights, Ali Scope offers a unique perspective on the latest developments in the tech world. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the curve with Ali Scope.